Hey guys, welcome back. So I was really excited to make this video for you today because I have been wanting to share with you super simple ways that you can start swapping out things that you buy at the grocery store and just making them at home. Because on this channel, I'm really showing you how to cook at home from scratch. We want to really eliminate all processed foods as we possibly can. So one of the easiest ways to do that is to start making your own salad dressings instead of buying them at the store. Okay, so our three go-to salad dressings are balsamic vinaigrette, which is Andrew's favorite, apple cider vinegar dressing, which I love. And then for those of you that have a sweet tooth, or maybe you just love like the really creamy salad dressings, which you can totally make those at home as well, but they're a little bit more involved to make. I want to keep things simple today. I've got a really nice honey mustard salad dressing for you. Okay, so to make all of these salad dressings, you really need just basic ingredients that you should already have in your pantry. And if you don't have these in your pantry already, I definitely recommend getting some next time you go to the grocery store, having them at the house, because they are very important when it comes to just making things from scratch at home, whether it's salad dressings or not. Certain things like maple syrup, real maple syrup, can seem like a really big investment at first, but it will last you so long. I definitely recommend having that. Coolest thing about all of these salad dressings is that you can just put them into a mason jar, or if you don't have mason jars, you can just put them into a Tupperware container and then you just shake them up and you're good to go. So let's get started with the balsamic vinaigrette. What you can need for this one is a 1/4 cup of olive oil, 1/2 cup of balsamic vinegar, a teaspoon of maple syrup, a teaspoon of Dijon, and a 1/2 teaspoon of sea salt. Shake it up and you're good to go. For the apple cider vinegar dressing, you're going to need a 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar, 1/2 cup of olive oil, 2 teaspoons of Dijon, a tablespoon of garlic, a teaspoon of salt, and a 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. And don't be afraid to just eyeball these. You don't have to even use measuring cups if you're really that lazy. It's seriously that easy. After you shake them up and you taste them, you can kind of adjust it as necessary. And then for the honey mustard salad dressing, you're going to need a 1/4 cup of olive oil, the juice of about 1/2 of a lemon, 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, 2 tablespoons of honey or maple syrup. I used honey for this one, but if you don't have any honey, feel free to use maple syrup. A 1/2 teaspoon of minced garlic, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and a little bit of pepper to taste if you want, but I really don't like pepper, so I omitted it from this one. Also, if you're out of olive oil, no problem. Just use any oil of your choice, like canola or grapeseed or something else that you have around the house. All right, guys, it's really that easy. So stop buying salad dressings at the store. If you have a salad dressing that you really like that's from the store, such as like Thousand Island or Ranch or something, just look it up online. You can easily make those at home as well. They just might be a little bit more involved than the ones that I gave you today. I wanted to keep things simple. So stay tuned. Next week, I've got a whole video coming up about what I do for side salads. It's so easy to make a side salad for a dinner that you have not prepared anything for yet. And I will see you guys in the next video. Cheers.